Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a vintage granny square pattern type 2, and this also creates a thick fabric. Without wasting much time friends, let us go into the video and learn how to go about this particular pattern. Chain 4, slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. Chain 4 and begin your first stitch. Chain 4 is considered as 1 DC and 1 chain 1 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and place 3 double excuse me 3 double crochets in the ring. Chain 1 3 double crochets 2 more times. Place 2 more times. I shall get back once I complete. Come to the end of the round here. Now chain 1 and place 2 double crochets to complete the first set of 3 double crochets. And slip stitch to the third chain. And slip stitch into chain 1 space. Chain 3 is considered as the first double crochet, and place 4 more double crochets in the chain 1 space, in the same space. Chain 1, skip 1 double crochet and place 1 double crochet in the next. Chain 1, place 5 double crochets in the chain 1 space. Again chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochet in chain space, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet. Continue the stitch pattern. I shall meet you at the end of the round. I completed the stitches. So we have in the corners 5 double crochets, and in the center DC we have 1 double crochet each. I have slip stitched to the third chain of the first DC in the 5 DC group. Now slip stitch to the center DC here. In this DC make 5 double crochets. First is a chain 3 and 4 more double crochets in this double crochet. So in total we have 5 double crochets here in the corner. After placing 5 double crochets in the corner, directly go over to the single double crochet that you have done here. Skip the next 2 and go to this and make 3 double crochets. Then in the middle DC of the 5 DC group, 5 double crochets. And skip the next 2 DCs and the single DC, standalone DC, make 3 double crochets. Continue the stitch pattern. I shall meet you at the end of the round. We've come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch and join to the third chain of the 3 chains that we did. Now we are going to place a double crochet on this chain itself, this stitch itself, so chain 3. And directly skip over to the center double crochet of the 5 DC group. Make 5 double crochets there. And now skip one, place 1 double crochet in the next. Skip one, place 1 double crochet in the next. Skip 1 double crochet in the next. Now skip 1 5 double crochets. This is the corner, this is the stitch repeat. So continue placing the stitches. I shall complete and get back. So after this round I had slip stitch joined and fastened off the yarn. So this is the vintage granny square pattern 2. So it's a little thick, it creates a thick fabric. Hope you like this pattern, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. If you happen to be the first time viewer of this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. I shall be back again.